2002 Honda Civic PCV valve replacement. This valve right here, easy from the top. Gonna remove a 10mm bolt that is located on this bracket right there, so we can move this bracket that way. Two 10mm bolts that are located right here, 1 and 2, that hold your accelerator pedal and your cruise cable. So after that, we're gonna use a bungee. We're gonna grab this hose, we're gonna pull it that way and hold it. All right, we have removed our bracket to the top side, have support our hoses with the bungee. Now you have plenty of space to go down here. Your valve is going to be located down here. If you follow this hose right here, the tip of that hose is going to lead you to your valve down there. That's right there. So all I like to do is just pull on this hose without even removing the hose clamp. Pull out, and then I have confirmed that the valve is a 17mm socket, so we're gonna continue and do that. So now you're gonna use a ratchet to go down there, put it right against your PCV valve and break it loose. I have already done mine, but that's how it's done. It's right here, the same way you took him out, the same way you're gonna put it back. Replace your 2 bolts over there for the shifting cable. Put this bracket back. Put the hose back into your PCV valve, and that's all. You're done. So that we have our new PCV valve installed. It's all the way over there on the bottom, so it's kind of hard to see it, but it's right there. Just follow that small hose right there, like a quarter hose, and then it's back over there. That's how easy it is from the top. You don't need to lift the vehicle or anything else.